Welcome back to the Mindset and CEO Habits series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're getting into something most entrepreneurs struggle with: how to set boundaries without guilt. Because here's the trap: you're building a business to create freedom, time freedom, emotional freedom, financial freedom. But if you don't learn how to enforce boundaries, you just end up building a business that burns you out. And the truth is, most people don't have a boundaries problem. They have a guilt problem. They know what they need to protect. They're just afraid to enforce it. Let's fix that today. First, boundaries are not walls. They're leadership. A boundary isn't rude. It isn't cold. It isn't too much. A boundary is a signal. It says, I take my time seriously. I value the container I've created. I know how I do my best work, and I'm protecting that. If you want premium clients, consistent income, and sustainable energy, your boundaries have to mature with your business. No more apologizing for being clear. No more negotiating with chaos. Step 1. Define your non-negotiables. Before you can enforce a boundary, you have to know what you're protecting. Ask yourself, what drains me every week that could be removed? What access point, DMs, voice notes, email, needs limits? What parts of my delivery make me dread showing up? What behaviors am I tolerating that disrupt my focus? If you don't define your non-negotiables, your business will default to other people's needs, and that's how resentment builds. Step 2. Create policies, not apologies. It's easier to hold a boundary when it's part of your structure, not your mood. Instead of saying, I don't like when clients message late at night. I'm trying to not over-deliver right now. Say, office hours are Monday through Thursday, 10 to 4 EST. Voice note support is twice a week. Please use the form to request feedback. All reschedules require 24-hour notice. Otherwise, the session is forfeited. Make it part of your welcome email, your intake form, your onboarding sequence. When you make boundaries standard, they stop feeling personal, and they start building respect. Step 3. Practice holding the line. The first time someone tests your boundary, you'll feel it in your nervous system. You'll want to bend. You'll want to justify. You'll feel like the bad coach or the difficult service provider. That's normal. Your nervous system is learning that it's safe to say, thanks for reaching out. I'll respond during office hours. As mentioned during onboarding, our sessions can't be rescheduled last minute. That request is outside the scope of our work. Happy to offer an add-on session if you'd like to go deeper. The discomfort is temporary. The clarity it creates is permanent. Step 4. Drop the guilt. You're not responsible for their response. Guilt comes from taking on someone else's reaction as your responsibility. But here's the truth. You're not responsible for how someone feels about your boundaries. You're responsible for how clearly you set and uphold them. If someone's disappointed, that's information. If someone walks away, that's alignment. If someone disrespects it, that's your cue to tighten, not loosen. You're not here to manage emotions. You're here to lead with integrity. That means making decisions that serve your business, not your people-pleasing habit. Step 5. Protect your energy to protect your results. Every yes that violates your boundaries is a no to something you actually need to scale.